Hello, this is Kenny Lee Burgess and welcome to Lesson 2, How Do You Play Muddy Waters Hoochie Coochie Man. In this lesson, we're going to look at the shuffle rhythm. Now this song is kind of interesting. You know, a lot of blues songs usually use a chord progression of 8 or 12 bars. This song is a 16-bar blues. Now let me explain a little bit. In Lesson 1, we were playing that lick, and we were singing. That's actually bars 1 through 8. Now one little difference is on bar 8, I'm doing like a little walking lick that gets me into the next chord that sounds like this. So what I'm doing is an interval. I'm playing strings 3 and 1, and then fret 2, 3, 4. My thumb is playing on the downbeat, my finger is playing on the first string on the upbeat. So if you listen to it, it fits the time really nice. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and boom. So then you're right to the next chord. So that's bars 1 through 8. Now bars 9 and 10, we're playing the C chord at the 5th fret. And bars 11 and 12, we're back to the 1 chord or the G chord. Now the song does that kind of turnaround where we're barring on bar 13, I'm up at the 7th fret playing the D chord. Then on bar 14, I'm back to the C chord at the 5th fret. And bar 15 is that classical kind of blues turnaround. See? So that's your 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then for the last bar, 16, it would sound like this. See? Which is really 1 and 2 and 3, 4. And it starts all over again. Now to play the shuffle rhythm on a 3-string cigar box guitar is relatively easy. I'm playing the 2 low strings, and then I'm fretting string 2 at the 2nd fret. So like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now you can make this movable, and that's what we're doing with the chords on fret 5 and 7. So you bar across all 3 strings with your first finger, your little bar chord, and then 2 frets higher you play on the 2nd string. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now for the final part, the turnaround, another kind of iconic idea is that if you would just kind of reduce it to chords, say, I'm strumming everything open, and then I'm walking on the second string, fret 3, 2, 1. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now to make it a little more interesting, you can pick it out. And the picking pattern is you're playing strings 2, 1, 2. So 3, 2, 1. See, and then again, because you could add the bass, see, and then that very last part. So that would be on bar 15. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're getting to bar 16. 1. And like I told you, what's happening there really is you got 1 and 2 and 3, 4. And then on the upbeat, right back into it. So in conclusion of this, let me just say that take your time. Get the timing down right with your foot. Because remember, this is kind of like a drummer. So you're really learning how to play off your foot. So then when you play with other people, it's going to be a lot easier. Your timing is going to be tight. It's going to sound right on the money. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson. And please check out the other instructional lessons I have on video for 3-string cigar box guitar, CD4 and CD6. Thank you and enjoy your practice.